What's up, guys? I'm back with another video finally on the srt4 Neon. Yesterday had the day off, so was able to work on it a little. Did some minor changes, nothing too crazy. What I actually did yesterday was finally have a manual boost controller on the car, Turbo Smart, so I tied that in to the wastegate and my factory turbo that I have now installed on the car. We'll see how it does. I haven't really got a chance to drive it out on the main road, so I'm sure there's going to be a little adjustments that are going to need to be made with it being a stocker. I'm just going to have to watch my AFRs and see how everything's looking on that part, but like I said, haven't got the chance to have it on the main road yet. So besides that, I've relocated the battery back to the engine bay. So I was having some problems getting the car to start after I put it in the trunk, and I relocated it back into the engine bay because I thought that was my problem. Car's still having some difficulties starting. I believe I have a bad starter, so once I have the tools to take that off, since they're at work, I will do so, and that will get replaced. I've already tracked one down from a buddy off a local Facebook srt4 page. He's gonna hook me up with one he has laying around for 25 bucks, so can't beat that. So I'm gonna take the time today and go pick it up. I think he's about 40 minutes away from me, but then hopefully we'll get to drive it out on the main road before winter hits here, and have some fun with it. Still haven't had a chance to get it on the dyno this year. The only local dyno I am aware of has some difficulties right now, so once it all gets straightened out, I'll be hopping on that and seeing what the car makes, because it's had a few changes now since the last time it was on the dyno and the last time it was on the dyno. The results weren't that great, so I was kind of disappointed what it put out, and I want to see if see where it's at right now with the changes I've made. So I'm hoping for around 400. That would be awesome. Remember, guys, like the channel, subscribe, leave comments. It's only going to help us out, and we'll make more videos for you guys with the same type of content, and we'll make it better. Thank you for watching.